Let's first take a look at the annealing scenario using a vacuum annealing machine. The annealing temperature is between 950 and 1080 degrees Celsius, and annealing is carried out under the protection of a hydrogen-nitrogen mixed gas, which can ensure that the color and gloss of the product are the same before and after entering the furnace. The equipment consists of a feeding section, including the feeding table of 4,500 millimeters, a high-temperature heating section of 3,500 millimeters, and a cooling and discharging section including the discharging table of 7,000 millimeters, and the length of the equipment is about 15 meters. In order to greatly reduce the loss of liquid ammonia, the overall design of the equipment is in the form of a bridge-shaped ramp structure, and the drop of the bridge is a greater than or equal to 170 millimeters. This is the annealing scenario using a high-frequency annealing machine. The products annealed by the high-frequency annealing machine are not stable, and sometimes the phenomenon of oxidation and blackening will occur, and subsequent pickling treatment is required, which has a great impact on environmental pollution. In contrast, the vacuum annealing machine has high production efficiency. The quality of the annealed products is stable, and it is energy-saving and environmentally friendly. It can reduce the labor intensity and improve the working environment of workers, meeting the requirements of high efficiency, energy conservation, and environmental protection. It should be noted that the vacuum annealing machine needs to work continuously for 24 hours, because once it is stopped and restarted, it will consume a large amount of electric energy and time.